Here's number 94C. It is a redox reaction in basic solution, so we have excess OH negatives. I will say on this one, I would need to tell you the charge of something over here. So I would tell you this charge on nitrogen is a -3. This whole CN negative, this cyanide ion, is a -1, so that means carbon is a +2. Over here, oxygen, -8 total, 2 times -4. This whole thing is -1, so that's a +7 for manganese. Back over here, again, oxygen's a -2. This nitrogen's still a -3. That's a -5 total. And this thing has a -1 charge, so this would be a +4 for this carbon. And over here, you'd have a -4 for oxygen, so a +4 for manganese. So our carbon atom is going from a +2 up to a +4. That is being oxidized. Manganese from a +7 being reduced to a +4, so that is reduction. So let's go oxidize first. Doesn't matter which one you do, but we're going CN negative to CNO negative. Again, from a +2 to +4, so this is losing 2 electrons. But instead of doing -2 electrons here, we do +2 electrons on this side. Our charge and our oxygens are not equal, so we got to get our charge equal. This is a -1 overall for this species, -2 for this. That's a -3. This is only a -1, so we need 2 OH negatives to make this a -3 charge. Well, now our oxygens are not equal and our hydrogens are not equal, but we have 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens over here, so we just need to add in a water, which gives us 2 oxygens between these two and 2 hydrogens to equal those out. Reduction is gaining, so MnO4 negative to MnO2. Hopefully you can read my writing. We're from +7 to +4, so it's being reduced by 3, so it's gaining 3 electrons. Overall charge here, that's a -1 and a -3. Again, not individual atoms. That's a -4 on this side, so we need 4 OH negatives on that side because we're in basic solution. That gives us 4 hydrogens here, no hydrogens over here, so we must need 2 waters. Let's make sure our oxygens are equal. 4 oxygens and 2 oxygens is 6. 4 oxygens and 2 oxygens is 6. Make sure electrons are being lost are equal to electrons being gained, so we need to multiply the top one by 3 to get to 6 electrons, bottom one by 2. So this becomes a 3, a 6, a 3, a 6, and a 3. This becomes a 2, a 6, a 4, a 2, and an 8. Cancel out things that can cancel out. We got 6 hydroxides being used, 8 being made, so the net would be 2. Electrons should always cancel. 3 waters being produced, 4 being used, so the net is 1 water in the reactant side. So overall reaction would be 3 CN negative plus 2 MnO4 negative plus an H2O, forming 3 CNO negative plus 2 MnO2 plus 2 OH negative. That should be correct.